Hi, I'm Dalton with Country Lane Gazebos. Today we're going to be talking about our EZShade Canopy. I'm going to show you how to tighten it and loosen it, how to pull it across the track to open it, and also how to take it down and store it for the winter. In order to use the EZShade Canopy, you just hook your rod through the pin, loosen it just a little bit, and then pull it across the track. In order to get your EZShade Canopy out of the track, all you have to do is push up on the center pin, pull it out, pull this center rail down a little bit, pivot it and pull it out of the track, and then do the same thing with all of the other sections. Pull that up and that out, and you can roll it up and store it for the winter.